Baba Boy.
Wow! 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 Yay! Takbo! Eh, tulong! No! Yeah! Wow! Yeah! Wow! Sumusap sa inyo mga kalabigyan. So, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa ating panibagong videos, which is maglalaro tayo ng The Mimic. Yung mga yan. And so hindi na tayo nakapag-post for months ago or a year ago, something like that, na mga horror game. So I promise dito na hindi tayo sisigaw, hindi masisira eardrums nyo, kahit ano, wala. Trust me on this. Next month. Sana naman? Uy! Wow! Hindi, joke lang. Siguro sisigaw tayo, pero mahinahon lang. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this, So sana mag-subscribe rin kayo para updated kayo sa palagi pinapost natin. And what are we waiting for? Tara na! Medyo pause tayo. So we are back here. I don't know what to do. Huwag nyo sa akin Huwag kayo susunod sa akin. Ako ang susunod sa inyo. Okay, so let's go. We need to find something, or I guess. So let's go. Let's explore this area. At syempre, wag muna tayo bababa dyan. Ano ka, gold? Years ago when I was in high school. What? Oh! Ay! Puting! Koy, mapapausa sa inyo! Ay, mapapausa sa inyo, promise. Wait lang. Layo mo na nga tong mic ko. Yan. Oh, grabe. Yo, hell na. Okay, so lock. It's locked. Let's turn on the lights. Oh man, stop doing that. Wait, turn on the lights? What are you guys doing there? Yeah, you just gotta turn on the lights. Okay, let's explore a bit more on this building, cause this is creepy unsettling. So what should we do? Anong gagawin natin dito? And yeah, let's read notes and unencrypt. Oh. Hey son, we went to your school for a parent-teacher conference. If you're hungry, I left your favorite ramen noodles at home. We'll be home soon, you know. Your father can't walk long distances. He's getting old, like tired, supporting him like we used to. Not to mention he's been having a cold lately. Blah. So yung mga kasama ko, din sila kung anong gagawin nila. What the heck? Key 2 is needed. I think we should, ayun, nagawa dito. Hindi kasi next to kaya kasi. Okay, we found key 1! Alright, so we found the key 1. Oh, I found the key, dog. I found the key. Okay, so ito, door unlocked. And yeah. Ito, tingnan natin. Okay, nandito na tayo sa labas. Okay everyone, dito tayo. Girls, dito tayo. Dami natin babae dito. So far, wala naman. Wala tayong makikita. And yes, we're gonna turn on the lights first. Okay, so since wala, tingnan natin dito sa may... Ay, dito, ano ba naman? Ba't hindi ko naghahanap? Nakasama ko. So we found the key 2. We found another key. So itong key na to is para sa baba. Okay, so itong mga kasama ko mapabigat. Oh my god. Ito yung mga kasama. Pero dito mga kasama. Please, anyone who finds this letter, please help my husband. I don't know where he went. I blacked out, and next thing I knew, I ended up in my own basement. I'm slowly losing my vision. I've been stuck down here for the past 30 days. The door is locked. I don't know what happened. But it all started when I spoke with a mysterious lady in a black coat at my son's school. Son, if you're reading this, please find your father and get out of that house now. Oh my god! Yo, you need to get out of this house. Oh my god! Look at this, turn it off. I need a crowbar to break this. Maybe I can check around? Okay. Hey boss, dapat tumalis ka na ng bahay. But why would you bother? Ito. I will find it. I will grab this crowbar. Okay, so ito, sisirain natin itong kupal na to. Okay, so what are you gonna break? Gusto nang gawin natin dito ng... ito pala ito. Okay, so yeah. Mark yung hindi magana pa sa dito. Eh? What the hell? What? Damn. Halloween pa? What do you mean? Oh, wait lang. What the heck? What the hell? We should get out of this house right now. Don't mess around, dog. Oh, may kisa. Okay. Kayo muna. Bilis ko muna. Pag ganun, hindi gumagana yung flashlight natin dito. Ito yung candle. What is happening? Muna. Oh man. Oh, what kind of sick nightmare is this? Surely this isn't my house anymore. Oh. Hey, pumunta tayo. Hey, mauna kayo. Okay. Yan, nauna na si Kalbo. Okay, ito. Dahil mo. Oh my god. What if we turn around? What if we turn around? Huh? What are they gonna do? Don't touch the mannequins, bro. How are you that brave? Don't touch the mannequins. Yeah, I think they're following us. Yeah, don't ever touch the mannequin. I'll kill you, bro. Don't ever touch the mannequin. Don't bother them. Ayun, nakakalain na sila. Wait lang. Wow! Wow! Yo! Ano yan? Paano natin maano to? What the heck? I think we should watch the mannequins first. Whoa! Yo, it went dark. Anong nangyari? Woo! Putik na yun. Okay, nandito yung mga kasama natin. Salamat. Binuhat nila tayo. Wow. Thank you. No, binuhat nila tayo. Tara dito mga kasama. Oh, may tatlo tayong babae kasama. Si Kalampish, babae yan. Babaera yan. Tikmen, tumahimik ka. Wala akong pa sa'yo. Okay. La Quinta Aztec Empire. What is Ocomars? I'm getting deja vu. Oh. Boss, ba't may run button? Boss, huwag kayo magbiro. Ba't may run button? Ano, may tatakbuhan tayo dito? Oh my god! Stop doing that. No. Yo. Objective. Find all keys. Okay. No, sada mo nga ito kasi lagi. Oh, we should find all keys. What should we do? And collect all butterflies. Ha? Just follow her. Kasi ano siya, matapang siya. Okay, so we should find the key here. Wala. Wala pa rin. Okay, wala. Edi wala. Okay, tara dito mga. Oh my god. Okay, be careful. Oh my god. Okay, tara dito. Ano nga ulit yung ano? Basta. Wala tayong pakali. Natin dito sa staircase. Sana naman. Uy! Wow! Okay, nandito. Alam nila eh. Alam pala nila. Ayun, Tito. Kayo. Tito. Nag-i-stay. Okay, nag-i-stay pala. So, yung isang kasama natin nawawala. I don't know where. Saan? Tara. Hindi natin alam kung saan din to. I have no idea. Ay, hindi. Pumunta sila sa staircase. What the hell are they doing? Saan sila pumunta? Yo! Takbo! Hey, tulong! No! Yeah! Fast! Ay, ano ba to? Wow! Bonak. I guess we need to avoid mura kasi we are trying to teach. I think we should find someone in paano ba mag-quick? Okay, butterfly. Wow! I think I have key too. Tolong! Why? Yo! Takbo! Wow! Ay! Ayoko na! Oh, this is a key one. Tama, binubuhat na lang tayo ng kasama natin. We don't know what we're doing. Huwag niyo iwan. Gabi mo kayo. Sa key 1. About key 1, dapat dito. Kaya magre-rage quit na ako dito. Wow! Bonak ano? Butterfly is connected. Butterfly. Okay, we've connected 9 butterflies so far. What we need to do is like explore some rooms, I think. Ito, may key tayo, may key. Key 3. So, itong key 3 na to, siguro dito yun sa amin. Dito yata yun eh. Ay, hindi, itong key 2. So, itong key 3, saan to? Dito ba? This is unopened, so it shouldn't be. Ayun, they're unlocked. So we found another butterfly. We should trim this video. Whoa! 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 Ayaw! Nah! Ah, bonak! Do better next time, bozo! Do better next time, bozo! Hehe! Yeah, you gotta do better next time, bozo. If I were to rate this game out of 1 to 10, I will rate this 10 out of 10 because this is not pay to win. I mean, like, hindi mo na kailangan mag-spend ng money, like, para maka-respawn or something like that. This is a 10 out of 10 game. Ito, kito. Wow! Wow! Ayun, nag-ano na siya. Okay, pumunta na siya sa... Please be open. Okay, now we found the last butterfly. Okay, so tayo na lang pala nag-iisa dito. Okay, so please be done, Oh man, I think it's ending. Okay. So hanggang dito na lang pala tayo makakalabis no. So hanggang dito na lang tayo. Kasi like we are recording for over 30 minutes now and we are running out of space. And salamat sa panonood, makakalabis yun dyan. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this. So pakitap na lang ng subscribe button or pa-comment na lang kung gusto niya ng part 2 ng The Mimic. And salamat sa panonood. Arigato. Thank you so much. Pasiba.